We all need God's grace at some point of time in life. And who can be a better messenger than your Guru? Guru's grace is an endeavor to enhance everyday life of human beings. We are a think tank of experts specializing in various sciences. आज का दिन हमारे लिए बहुत खास है क्योंकि हम आपके सामने लेकर आए हैं Guru's Grace का exclusive tarot kit. This kit is designed to elevate your tarot reading experience to the next level. इस किट को तैयार करने के पीछे है हमारे फाउंडर मेंबर्स का विजन और 25 साल का अनुभव. This isn't just any tarot kit. It's a gateway to unlock your inner wisdom. ये है फाउंडर दीप्ति. Her journey of learning the occult sciences started at an early age during her schooling. She started practicing her passion since the year 2001. उन्हें काफी सारे सेलिब्रिटीज और क्रिकेटर्स से बातचीत करने का अवसर मिला, जिससे उन्हें एहसास हुआ कि उनमें लोगों के व्यवहार को समझने और उनके भविष्य की घटनाओं का पूर्वानुमान करने की जन्मजात प्रतिभा है. वह दृढ़ता से मानती हैं कि भविष्य की घटनाएं कुछ और नहीं बल्कि आज लिए गए हमारे निर्णय और हमारे परिवेश का परिणाम होती हैं. हमारे सेकंड फाउंडर मेंबर हैं अमित. With a profound understanding of mystical arts, our founding member brings a wealth of knowledge and a deep passion for occult. He is not just a practitioner, but a guide who illuminates the hidden pathways of the spiritual world. As the cornerstone of our company, our founder possesses an innate ability to blend ancient wisdom with modern insights. हमें गर्व है कि हम आपको ये किट पेश कर रहे हैं जो आपकी टैरो यात्रा को एक नई दिशा देगी. So let's dive into the treasures inside this kit. इस किट में आपको मिलेंगे question cards, 134 thoughtfully designed cards to help you frame all kinds of questions from simple to complex. Significator cards, 246 cards जो आपकी रीडिंग को thematic clarity देंगे, ensuring that you're always on point. Message deck, 130 cards and astrology deck, 50 cards. ये decks आपको deeper insights और astrological perspectives देंगे, making your readings more comprehensive. Time deck, 108 specific cards to help you predict the timing of events with precision. Yes or no deck, 40 cards designed for straightforward, no-nonsense answers to your burning questions. Weak cards or playing cards, 54 playing cards converted into weak cards, which can be used for cartomancy or predicting the timing of events. Our aim with this kit is to provide you with the tools to enhance your tarot reading skills. It's a guide that can help you in every walk of life by filtering out the best choices available. It's good for not only the professionals, but laymen and even housewives to get answers and solutions. चाहे आप beginner हो या seasoned reader, this kit is your companion in exploring the mystical world of tarot. It's not just about predictions, it's about understanding yourself and the universe around you. Guru's Grace is proud to bring you this kit crafted with the highest quality materials and profound insights. Use it to sharpen your skills, guide yourself and others, and most importantly, have fun exploring the mystical realm of tarot. Thank you and God bless you all. Explore the magic, embrace the wisdom, and let the journey begin.